does not show perch.
Oh, dude,
That's a brown, dude.
Let's get this show on the road. So excited to use this. Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna head up to Rockport here in Utah. It just barely capped about last week. Hopefully we can get into some fish in there. I heard the fishing's been really good. There's about maybe like 4 to 5 inches of ice. We actually had this huge cold front come in the last week and it's pretty chilly this morning, so got the gear ready, about to warm up the beast, and we're gonna head out. Just waiting on some homies, Somi, Grant, and a special guest, Andrew's gonna be here today. So he's a walleye slayer and we've been walleye fishing for the last like all fall, and he got to some, which is pretty awesome. Excited to finally ice fish with him this year. It's gonna be our first trip out together, so hopefully we get something. As you can tell, we have a bunch of gear. I never got a breakdown of the gear, but we're using, there's 2 Humminbird 45s and 1 Humminbird 55. And then we have the Strike Master 24 volt, and this hard case from Shield is worth it. It holds about probably 8 rods comfortably. I'll give you a little breakdown later on it, but super worth the investment if you don't want to break any poles like we do. And it just keeps everything all nice and tidy. Now we can throw it around and not have to worry about poles breaking and stuff like that, because these poles are not cheap and you want to protect your gear at all costs. So let's get her warmed up, head to the gas station, and I'll catch you guys on the lake. Here, put some smack on this perch.
We're gonna catch.
Look at the special guest right here. Look at that.
Yeah, we're not falling. Is this one? Is this my broken ass one? I think so. Yeah. Oh yeah, this one's mine. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's mine. Why the fuck does it do that shit?
I think you pulled the thing off in the back.
What, dude? Is there anything marking? There's something. You're going out?
I don't know.
So you also gotta remember the water is lower than the previous years. Yeah.
Nice, bro. Was that just
Just barely. I barely put that down.
no wax or anything?
Oh yeah, there's a wax on it.
Oh. Nice, bro.
Let's go. One down, 49 to go.
Andrew, come on, where's the fish at? I need a video today, babe. Toby, you too.
Hold on, I'm trying on a new spoon. I bought a new spoon.
Oh really? Which one?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw a second hole.
Dude, I forgot I had all these spoons too.
Missed it. Oh, Kevin on.
Or my pole's just super light. Oh my god, dude. Yeah. That's not bad. I think my screen's lit up down there.
Oh, mine smaller than your guys's.
Not bad though.
Yeah, I'll take them.
Good shit.
Yeah. Kind of small compared to your guys's, so fuck.
Not bad. Come on, Andrew, let's see a big one.
Wow.
Oh, damn. I can't catch this fish to save my life right now.
Double up.
Need help?
I think I got it.
Oh, holy shit.
These are some beauties.
That's a fat mama.
Look at that one, dude. Jeez.
Dude, double up.
Double up again. Do mine too. Can't even reel in. There we go. Oh my gosh.
The monster or what?
Look at that beast.
Dude, this is I can't even tell what's bottom.
I don't got no marks.
Really?
No?
Dude, it's like lit over here.
We got marks at 18 and 13 feet.
I was playing with that, but I thought it was yours.
I think it's a trout. I've never seen perch swim that high in the column.
Yeah. Oh yeah, dude, it's a tiger muskie right here. Perfect. I'm gonna try his eyeball. Oh, right out of its mouth.
Trout. Yeah, trout.
Need help?
Big. What is it? It's digging.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, there's not no perch.
Oh dude, that's a...
Oh, that's a brown.
Yeah.
Oh no. Who's it? Oh my gosh, come on.
Come on, baby. Get your head through.
Oh! Baby!
Let's go!
Oh!
Dude, that thing's a monster.
Hey. I was like, that's not a trout. That's for sure.
Damn.
Not no perch.
Hey, I have that same one. Let's see it. Bro, it's a beast.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Not in the hole.
Hey, yo. Beautiful trout. Wait, this is a rainbow. I think that's a rainbow, right?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's a little
It
rainbow.
looks sick though. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, bro.
Congrats.
Oh my god, I keep ripping the hook out of their mouth. Oh shit, I had a fish on, I didn't even know. Right off. Ah!
Oh my gosh, dude, there's so many.
Just like that. Ah! Motherfucker.
You got this.
Just focus on it. I got you. You have them hooked on the side of the lip.
There it is.
Oh, fuck.
There it is. That's 2 today, bro.
Fuck, that water's cold.
Yeah, it is. Got it, my phone. Oh, yeah. I feel like we have to filter through all the small ones to get the big one.
To get the big ones?
Yeah. Oops.
It's a gosh dang river monster.
You got a huge one?
Oh my gosh, Stormy! Get the net! Did it come off? It came off.
This one is a small one. Wait, when did you catch that big one?
Right when we got back.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Y'all see this? Nope, these are tiny. What's up with these things, man? Just made it back home. Sorry I didn't film much for you guys at the very end. The fishing actually slowed down and we moved to another spot, and then we caught all these little dink perch. So it wasn't really worth filming, but we did get into some pretty good perch today and I'm super stoked about that. Got a decent haul out of it, divided evenly between all of us. The limit was about 50 a person. We did not exceed that limit at all. But overall, pretty good day. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next ice fishing trip. Peace.